Wolfgang Gabriel 22 here in Emmett, Michigan. Hey guys, there's a ski and eastbound train coming in Emmett, Michigan. Dashing up this red rag, and the signal that way is green rag. So, coming fast too, I think. I don't know. Coming. I think it's the one from Emmett City, Michigan, but I'm not sure. This one's in Emmett, Michigan. Whereas it might be a A492 eastbound train, but we'll find out. I know a M494 eastbound train is coming, but it could be now, I don't know. But it could have been the one from Emmett City, Michigan, I don't know. This is in Emmett, Michigan, but here it comes. I got night vision on, so the red light, yep. Coming now. Comes Emmett, Michigan. Gates are going down. Coming pretty quick. Yep, it's an A492 eastbound train, I knew it. Whoa! So fast! Goes to the gates for Emmett, Michigan.